Hey guys, welcome to a video testing out the Dji Mini 2 at night. So is this drone any good taking photos and videos at night? Well, let's find out. So we've got some photos, videos, quick shots, panoramas, and let's see how good this quality is. So we're going to be just flying around Blackpool. There is an altitude zone around here, so I've got to be really careful. And also we're flying at night, so that's also got challenges as well. I think the quality at night from this drone, it's good enough. It's not brilliant, and it's not going to be brilliant because it is at night time with that small sensor, but it is able to still get some decent quality. So it's like a ghost town, but the picture quality is pretty good, you know, from this drone and this size sensor. If we just zoom in now, there's a bit of noise and a bit of grain, which is to be expected, but the quality is good enough. It's actually more than usable, and we're able to get some nice 4K quality coming from this drone. The signal also did really well in this high interfered area facing the tower. There's lots of interference, but it's done really well. So I'll just put up some photos and videos and show you what I got out of this drone. To be able to carry this phone in your pocket and then produce 4K quality at night to this standard, I'm really happy with. Even the photo quality, it's excellent for this size drone. Now, the drone did struggle in this part. It was a circle quick shot around the tower and it would not work. I tried it a few times, but this is what I got.
2, 1.
So big fail there. I think it was to do with the lights and the sensors couldn't lock onto it, so it was struggling, but it still managed to get a nice shot. Cinematic mode on this drone is good. It just slows everything down and it enables you to get some really smooth looking footage. What did impress me with this drone, aside from that photos and videos, was that this drone was able to keep a really strong connection around this area where there's so much interference, and I had full bars at all times. Everything you've seen here is straight out of the drone. There is no edits to the photos or videos. So it's able to capture some really nice looking photos. If you're looking for a drone for photography at night time and you're not wanting to spend a lot of money, then this drone is good enough to get those photos for you. The area coming up now is the Blackpool Comedy Carpet, so it was really dark around this area and there's not much light, but it still managed to capture some good footage. So I wasn't expecting much from this drone. The Mavic Mini 1 at night time wasn't the best. That sensor struggled a lot. So I was pleasantly surprised with the quality on the videos and the photos that I got from this drone. And I can't wait to get out again to test and take some more photos with this. So if you're looking for a compact drone you can just put in your pocket and take some lovely photos and videos like this, I can highly recommend the Dji Mini 2. Anyway, thanks so much for watching and we'll see you next time.